Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've got a request from a viewer that I thought would be interesting and giving my own opinion on Windows 11 in two videos. I'll say what I like and I'll say what I don't like in two separate videos. And so, first of all, I'm one of those that likes Windows 11. It is a nice refresh from Windows 10. I like the way it is. Of course, I don't like everything about it, but overall, it works well. I've had no problems with Windows 11 whatsoever in any machines, and even on 24H2. And it's what the majority of people have in general, is that they don't have any problems with Windows 11. A lot of people will talk about, well, I've got this, I've got that. Yeah, there are people with problems, and that obviously is something that exists. There are some issues for some. But once again, you've got to be careful with when people complain about problems, because who complains? The ones that have problems. You don't have people, going online and say, yay, I like Windows 11, it works great. But you do have all of the people that are mad because it doesn't work great. Plus, I'm pretty sure there's a pretty big percentage of people faking problems just because they want to bash Windows 11. And that you got to add to the people that say they have issues. So in the percentage, when you look at the reality of how many people are having issues, there really isn't a lot more than the average Windows operating system has in general. It's just that, of course, people with issues do voice their problems. There are specific issues that have blockers that were put in place. But anyways, I do like the new start menu, and I'll give you why I don't like the new start menu in the next video. But I do like, if it was done right, and if they would fix the things that we're going to talk about in the other video, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the menu, the start menu, the centered start menu and start button, and all of that is fine with me. It looks more modern. Got no problem with that. I do like the settings are way better than what Windows 10 had, because Dave actually figured out where to put a lot of the different settings that weren't really in any logical way in Windows 10. In Windows 10, a lot of the settings don't even go where they are. And it's just like, well, okay, we got this setting, let's find a place. And they just randomly put it in some of the places where it just didn't, shouldn't have been. And Windows 11 does have a settings app that is way better for that. Anybody telling me that the settings app is no good, on the contrary, it's actually brilliant compared to Windows 10. But there's a lot of stuff missing, and we'll continue talking about that in the what I hate about Windows 11 video. It's performance-wise and everything, it's fine. It's for me, it's as fast. On my gaming laptop, I got no issues. It's as fast as Windows 10 ever was, and there's no problem there. And like I said, like the interface, and just like the way it works, and I'm fine with it, personally. Now, we'll go to the Windows 11 things I ate in the next video, and we're there. I'm going to actually tell you some of the highlights of what I don't like about Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.